Welcome back everyone to another video. As you can see, we have done some changes to the workshop. I have managed to put everything so it's a little bit more organized. I managed to get a vise, and also I've managed to put out this construction area that will help me to not have to hold my bar when I'm heating it up, so I can go around and do other stuff. I'm not situated at the forge holding a bar all the time. I can actually do some other stuff and just drink some water, perhaps. Also, I realized that making hooks is something I need to practice a lot more. So today we're going to do some more decorative hooks, hopefully, because I need a lot more practice than I first thought. So that's what we're gonna do today. I hope you guys enjoy it. So now we have a taper done. So the next step, the first new step I'm going to try here on the video is we are now going to try to scroll the taper down the length of the metal to make it look nicer. So let's get on to that. So as you might have seen in the video, I kind of messed up when I tried to bend it over the horn. I completely made it the wrong way. But like I said, I'm new to this, I'm practicing, but the scroll, I'm really happy with the scroll, how it turned out. And we can make something out of it, but we will see what, like, I'm not selling these is used for practice and I want to show you all, so you see the good and the bad. So now it's time to cut it off and try to twist it in the vise to make some twisting patterns on the body and see how it goes. So there we go, everyone. The hook is finally done. As you can see, we have a different hook than we did earlier this video, because I messed up the scroll and made it the wrong way, because things can get stuck now with this. So I wanted to try to twist the metal with this one. But I'm actually surprised how well it went, so I do hope you enjoyed. More videos will be coming in the future. I will be doing a lot more hooks, since I need the practice. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.